distracted. Oh, sorry.
Welcome to Sessions at AOL.
You're not even recording. Go!
Oh, yeah.
Stupid ass.
Welcome to Sessions at AOL.
Going?
No.
Is it? You wanna believe your eyes.
What?
I can't!
What? You went like this. You would not believe your eyes.
I
You
know!
would not believe your eyes.
I know!
10 million. Welcome to Sessions at AOL with Carissa Pascarella. This is Fireflies by Owl Carissa.
Is it going?
No. TV.
You wanna believe your... That's the wrong thing! No, whoa, that's the wrong chord. Are you kidding me?
Time.
You wanna believe your eyes. 10 million fireflies lit up the world like stars asleep. They fill the open air. Leave teardrops everywhere. You think just stand and stare. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I give 1,000 hugs, 10,000 lightning bugs. They try to teach me how to dance. Foxtrot was my head, down beneath my bed. Go balls and fire, thread. I'd like to make myself believe planet Earth turns slowly. I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I fall asleep, leave myself open just a crack. I feel like such insomniac. Just tired counting sheep. I'm too asleep. 10 million fireflies, weird say goodbye, and farewell. Let's try farewell. I'd like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. I'd rather stay
Awake when I'm asleep.
everything is never as it seems. I fail.
Epic fail. Done.
Well, that was my cover of Fireflies by Owl City. I hope you enjoyed it.
It's Owl Town. It's Bird Town.
Bird Town, Owl
Bird
City.
Town.
Same thing.
Bird dog.
I quit for the day. That was sick.
No, actually it wasn't.
It was like probably like...
Chris Angel.